Welcome to our home, please come in and take a tour. Large front porch speaks the language of hospitality and welcomes visitors. Stately foyer ushers the visitors past the study center on the left to the main living areas. New LVP blankets the flooring in the main living areas. Note the unique ceiling treatment in the formal dining room to accommodate the transom window. A trio of transom-topped windows illuminate the spacious living room and capture a wide-screen view of the backyard. A view from the living room towards the formal dining room. Triple windows pump natural light into the generously sized breakfast area. Dramatic kitchen offers voluminous space for casual family living as well as entertaining. A bevy of cabinets, with granite-topped counters, plus pantry provide loads of storage capabilities. Detailed view of the granite and tiled backsplash with mosaic accent band. An elliptical arch defines the expansive owner's suite and adjacent sitting area or study. Arched window is cleverly positioned to allow furniture placement versatility. Whirlpool corner tub is flanked by twin granite-topped, raised vanities. A separate shower enclosure, dual entry walk-in closet, and linen closet complete the setup. The guest powder room is conveniently placed off the hallway leading to the twin bay garage. Jack and Jill bath connects the two minor bedrooms on the first floor. Wrought iron banistered switchback staircase ascends to the second level. The huge media room features ample wall space for any size screen, and has luxury vinyl plank flooring for easy maintenance. Theater seating is available for purchase. Versatile loft overlooks the foyer. Loft provides multi-purpose usage. Spacious bedroom offers plush carpeting, lighted ceiling fan, walk-in closet, and a bird's eye view of the backyard. The third full bath services the second floor. Covered and open patios beckon for outdoor enjoyment. Fully privacy fenced backyard.